All right, so example 3, again, we're just describing the rotation, and there's always two options. Let's see, pre-image is down here. K is our point of rotation. So one that's easy for me to see is point Q. So where did point Q move? 1/4 of a turn. So 1/4 is 90 degrees. This direction is the clockwise direction. So one option is that it moved 90 degrees, 90-degree rotation. Oops. 90-degree clockwise rotation about point K, which is located at -1, -1. Or there's always two options. I could have gone the other direction, right? So Q could have gone 3/4 of a turn, which is 270 degrees. Oh, I got my directions backwards. Sorry. This is clockwise. Counter. Clockwise rotation about point K, which is at -1. Wow, I was wrong twice. -1, -1. Sorry about that. So let me make sure I did this right. This is the backwards motion. Okay, so that is 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 degrees clockwise. Point K is the point that doesn't move, so that is the point of rotation. I don't know if I asked you that on a separate slide, but if I do, this is what you will put. Point K, -1, -1.